Alright, I'm going to do a box break of Bowman Draft Picks and Prospects 2007. I also got 2 packs of Bowman Chrome Football. So let's go ahead and get started with those. We'll bust those up right here. This is retail. Target. Oh, nice. Right, first pack. Got myself a Brian Leonard Gold Auto. Numbered 40 of 50. It's not bad for just a pack. Check that out. Go on to the next pack. Let's see what we get. And we get another rookie of, I can't even see it, I can't read it, Robert Mitchum. So there you go, not too bad. Let's move on to the prospects. See what we get. This is retail. This is from Target. So let's see what we get out of this thing. They start boxing a little differently now. And there they are. So here we go. Rookie. Looks like Matt Brown. Kevin Slowly. And the green rookie is John Dankus. And Matt Chico. Not numbered. So on and so on. We'll move on. McLemore, and then Tony Abreu rookie, and the goat is Matt DeSalvo, and then so on. Next is Zach Zagovia, Brian Stokes, Jesus Flores, looks like Dennis Dove. Whatever that is, and that. Alright, move on. Looks like Jim Knott, Sean Gallagher, that's about it. Nothing special. I'm not much into baseball, but I like busting, so what can you say? The gold one of the dude I got earlier. So a blue somebody numbered to 399. That is Vladimir Balatin. Number to 399. And a gold Brian Stokes. Doug Salentine, Carlos Gomez, Ryan Braun, green one. It's pretty good. A thicker USA. Oh, it's a jersey. I didn't even see the jersey. It's Cameron Maybin. There you go. I don't know if you all can see that. I didn't even see the jersey on it, but it's pretty cool. Same color as the card, that's why I couldn't tell. Last pack. Billy Butler. Danny Fortune. And that's it. So there's the hit right there, a jersey, and then here's the hit in the football pack. So not bad. Thanks.